So that's it for my stay in London. I have a few more hours, but I just left the hostel. I was a little worried being by myself, only the second time ever in a hostel. And it was pleasant. It was fun. They had a lot of comedies. It wasn't weird. The only incident was like someone threw up once. Okay, well, there was two, but it was the same night and it was both throw up. So the one girl was like throwing up in her room. The other time was in the bathroom. It was awful. I feel bad for whoever had to clean it up. Like, seriously. This was super pleasant. I'm so happy I came. Off for the rest of the day. I'm not venturing out too much today because it is super windy and cold and gray. I got so lucky. Thank you, God. Thank you, Jesus. It was so much fun. All right, to the cafe. Oh yeah, what I was gonna say too is I was gonna stay in there for a little bit longer because they have the lounge, they have free cappuccino drinks. But I started like sneezing and getting a cold, and then the people around me started sneezing, and I just felt like I was in a friggin' petri dish. I'm like, why am I gonna sit here and let this fester? I'm gonna get out of here and go to the cafe and do the rest of my morning stuff, which is reading, praying, meditating, all that good stuff. So I was at the one cafe, did a bunch of writing. I wasn't even like planning on it, but it just kind of kept coming out, so I went with it. I did some writing, and then I did some drinking some cappuccino. I had it salted caramel. It was very, very good. And now I am going to show you guys the transit because I really wanted to show you how simple it is and how astonished I am by the system. I didn't really take many videos in the tube, like by the actual train. I think I did a couple shots maybe, but I'll just take a picture of or do a video of the card itself and how that works. And yeah, and then I'm gonna head to an Italian restaurant. I'm gonna have lunch. I think they have some lunch deals. And then my bus is at 3:30, like up the street. So probably like a 10-15 minute walk. All right, it's getting cold. Let's go to the subway. They call it the underground. Let's go to the underground. So this is the Swiss Cottage station. My hostel's like right up the street. All right, let's do this.
This is a safety announcement. Please be aware when traveling on the escalators or using the fixed stairs. Please hold the handrail. Please do not run. Please make sure that your feet are fully in the step while traveling on the escalators.
I had any balance. Oh my gosh, it's okay. What are you gonna do? I'm just gonna stay around here because it's like getting late. Or should I go somewhere? Anyway, so what you do is just like add the money you want, then tap the card again. And then go like through and just tap it. And it goes. So easy. I was actually going to stick around for a little bit and go to the market, but now that it started to rain, forget about it. And I don't feel great, so I don't want to, add it on top of that. Plus, I'm just gonna catch an earlier bus to the airport. I feel like you can never get to the airport too early, and that's what my mama would do. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab some food, for like real food. I picked this morning, but I'm gonna get some real food and then head there. I'm gonna miss you, London! Deana is here. I just wanted to add in a couple things about the Swiss Palmers Lodge in London. First of all, it was conveniently located right down the street from the tube, the Swiss Cottage station. And then the bus from the airport dropped me off right on the main street. It was like a 10-15 minute walk, if that. So it was a really convenient location from everywhere. So I stayed in the dorm with the 6 female beds, and it was really great. You walk in and there was 2 really tall bunk beds, 3 beds in each one. I was on the bottom bunk of the first bunk, and the dresser to keep my stuff was right underneath. So just like slid out. They provided the lock. I bought it for like £2. And in the bed itself, there was a curtain, so I felt very like private. There was a light on the left side, so I was able to do my reading at night. And then there was the unit to charge your stuff was right there. And the bed itself was actually comfortable. I got, I think, the best sleep. Yeah, the best sleep there. It really was. I don't know what it was about it, but I felt very like confined. I slept great. I woke up early, no problem. That's like a struggle for me. So that was great to sleep. And I barely saw anybody else. I don't know who else was in the room with me, because you're not really in the room that much. I mean, I try not to be in the room that much on vacation. So I really only saw like 2 people the whole time. So that was good. It was a good experience. The people at the front desk, the service was wonderful. I had so many questions, being that this was only the second time I've stayed at a hostel and the first time by myself. So I had plenty of questions, and they were so kind and answered everything. They have straighteners for free for use, which was wonderful. The blow dryers, I like blew out mine, so I didn't have anything. I've never been so happy to see a straightener before. And they have the lounge area, which was really cool. A bunch of chairs and couches and cappuccino machine. Not only one, but they have 2. You have no idea. That is huge for cappuccino coffee drinkers. I don't see those things anywhere. It's kind of like finding gold. There's the bathroom downstairs is a unisex bathroom, but the one upstairs is female only, where the showers are. So that was good. I was not trying to shower with no guys. I don't mind peeing next to you, but I'm not showering next to you. Sorry, not sorry. I did not eat the food, but I saw it and I smelt it, and it looked and smelt delicious. They have like a breakfast. You could pay a few more pounds every day or whatever to get it, but it was a full spread. It covered the whole bar. They have a really cool area. So they have the downstairs, which I did not film, but it's the downstairs area with the bar, seating area, and then you go outside, or it's not outside, but it's like all glass and windows. So that's where I had my cappuccino. I did my morning journaling, and it was really nice. There's a lot of greenery, open space, and then they had, I think it was like a ping pong table. So that was fun if you're into that type of thing. So yeah, I would definitely stay there again. I would definitely recommend it. I don't plan on going back to London anytime soon, but when I do, I wouldn't mind staying there. And there was a range of different ages, which I was surprised. There was people that were young, older, there was a lot of Asians, just different people. And I'm not saying that in any racial way. I'm just mentioning what I saw. And everyone was just really nice. I made a friend with the lady who slept above me, and that was it. It was really great experience. Highly recommend it. Thank you, Swiss Palmer's Lodge. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and let me know what you think. Till next time, ciao for now.